Welcome to Mobility and Joint Health Daily. I'm so glad you're here, because if you're like many of our viewers, you're silently suffering from joint pain and stiffness that's limiting your mobility and affecting your quality of life. Perhaps you're struggling to get out of bed in the morning, or finding it difficult to perform even the simplest tasks, like cooking or cleaning, and it's all because of the pain and stiffness in your joints, which is a real problem that many seniors face. And it's not just about the pain. It's about the loss of independence and the impact it has on your daily life. So today, we're going to talk about something that can really help, and that's natural arthritis remedies, which are a great way to alleviate symptoms and get your mobility back. To get the most out of our channel, be sure to hit subscribe and turn on notifications, because we post new videos every week. And today, we're going to explore 8 natural arthritis remedies that you can try, from diet and exercise to lifestyle changes. And we'll give you all the information you need to get started, so you can start feeling better and moving more easily. And we'll also provide you with some tips and advice on how to incorporate these remedies into your daily life, including recipes, exercise routines, and stress-reducing techniques. So be sure to stay tuned until the end, because we've got a lot of valuable information to share with you. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to use natural arthritis remedies to improve your joint health and mobility. Now, let's talk about the causes of arthritis and joint pain, and how natural remedies can help alleviate symptoms. Arthritis is a condition that affects the joints, causing pain, stiffness, and inflammation, and it's a real problem that affects millions of people. But the good news is that there are many natural remedies that can help, from diet and exercise to lifestyle changes. And these remedies can be used in combination with traditional treatments or on their own, and one of the best things about natural remedies is that they're often free from side effects, which is a big concern for many seniors who may be worried about the potential side effects of medication. So let's take a look at some of the natural arthritis remedies that you can try. And we'll start with diet, because what you eat can have a big impact on your joint health. And there are some foods that are particularly good for reducing inflammation and alleviating symptoms, such as fatty fish, which are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and turmeric, which contains a powerful anti-inflammatory compound called curcumin. And these foods can be incorporated into your diet in a variety of ways, such as adding them to your meals or taking them as supplements. And we'll also talk about some exercises that can help, such as yoga and swimming, which are low impact and easy on the joints, and can help to improve mobility and reduce stiffness. One of the natural arthritis remedies that you can try is acupuncture, which involves the use of tiny needles to stimulate healing and reduce pain. And it's a treatment that's been used for thousands of years and has been shown to be effective in reducing arthritis symptoms. And another remedy is massage therapy, which can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation, and can also help to improve mobility and reduce stiffness. And we'll also talk about some lifestyle changes that you can make, such as getting enough sleep and managing stress, which can both have a big impact on your joint health. And we'll give you some tips on how to make these changes, such as establishing a bedtime routine and practicing stress-reducing techniques, such as meditation or deep breathing. And we'll also talk about some supplements that you can take, such as glucosamine and chondroitin, which are both natural substances that can help to reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms. And we'll give you some information on how to choose the right supplements and how to use them safely and effectively. And we'll also provide you with some recipes for anti-inflammatory foods, such as turmeric tea and fatty fish stir-fries. And we'll give you some exercise routines that you can follow, such as yoga and swimming. And we'll also provide you with some stress-reducing techniques, such as meditation and deep breathing exercises. Another natural arthritis remedy that you can try is heat therapy, which involves the use of heat to reduce pain and stiffness. And it's a treatment that's been used for centuries and has been shown to be effective in reducing arthritis symptoms. And it's easy to do at home, using a warm bath or a heating pad. And we'll also talk about some exercises that can help, such as Tai Chi, which is a low-impact exercise that can help to improve mobility and reduce stiffness, and can also help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. And we'll give you some tips on how to get started with Tai Chi and how to incorporate it into your daily routine. And we'll also talk about some lifestyle changes that you can make, such as quitting smoking and reducing your weight, which can both have a big impact on your joint health. And we'll give you some information on how to make these changes, such as finding a support group and getting help from a healthcare professional. And we'll also provide you with some resources, such as books and websites, that can help you to learn more about natural arthritis remedies and how to use them to improve your joint health and mobility. In addition to the natural arthritis remedies that we've talked about, there are also some other things that you can try, such as physical therapy, which can help to improve mobility and reduce stiffness, and can also help to reduce pain and alleviate symptoms. And we'll give you some information on how to find a physical therapist and how to get started with physical therapy. And we'll also talk about some assistive devices, such as canes and walkers, which can help to reduce strain on your joints and can also help to improve mobility. And we'll give you some tips on how to choose the right assistive devices and how to use them safely and effectively. And we'll also provide you with some information on how to modify your home to make it easier to get around and to reduce strain on your joints, such as installing handrails and using non-slip mats. And we'll give you some resources, such as books and websites, that can help you to learn more about natural arthritis remedies and how to use them to improve your joint health and mobility. Now, let's summarize the single most important thing that you should remember, and that's to try some of the natural arthritis remedies that we've talked about, such as diet, exercise, and lifestyle changes, and to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new remedies, and to be patient, and to give your body time to respond, because natural remedies can take time to work. And it's also important to remember that everyone is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. So it's a good idea to try a few different remedies and to see what works best for you. And to also keep in mind that natural remedies are not a replacement for traditional treatments, but can be used in combination with them to help alleviate symptoms and improve joint health. And we'll also provide you with some additional resources, such as books and websites, that can help you to learn more about natural arthritis remedies and how to use them to improve your joint health and mobility. In conclusion, natural arthritis remedies are a great way to alleviate symptoms and improve joint health. And there are many different remedies that you can try, from diet and exercise to lifestyle changes and supplements. And we've given you a lot of information on how to get started and how to use these remedies safely and effectively. And we've also provided you with some resources, such as books and websites, that can help you to learn more. And we encourage you to try some of the remedies that we've talked about, and to consult with your healthcare provider before starting any new remedies, and to be patient, and to give your body time to respond, because natural remedies can take time to work. And we hope that you found this information helpful, and that you'll start to feel better and move more easily. And we'll see you in our next video, where we'll be talking about another topic that's related to mobility and joint health. So be sure to subscribe to our channel, Mobility and Joint Health Daily, and turn on notifications so you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos and get the information you need to improve your joint health and mobility. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. And don't forget to take care of your joints and to prioritize your mobility, because it's an important part of living a healthy and happy life.